I got one.
You got shiny?
Yep.
Yo!
That's it. We
Nice.
got a shiny. Well, I gotta catch it. I've got to catch it.
Yeah, dude.
30.
Let's
31.
go. First shiny, and it's a Watchel. It's hardly distinguishable. It is just enough. Like, I saw it, and I was like, man, that thing looks pink. And I sent Armor Rouge at it, and Armor Rouge shook his head saying no. And Ghastly is just watching me fail. Let's just throw a Pokeball, see what happens. Crit Cap! Let's go!
Sir, shiny
That's a
Watchel.
shiny Watchel! Off the critical
right.
capture.
That's your first one, right?
Yeah, that's my first shiny.
Looking at the other mass outbreaks, you have a Dunsparce, a Cyclizar, a Yungoos, Aracuda.
Cyclizar has a really cool shiny, by the way.
Yeah, that's right,
38.
Ghastly.
What do you think? You want to reset or Psyduck or Swablu are like the two
Wait,
best of them?
I
wait.
mean, I don't see anything cool in particular.
Shiny Rookity! Shiny Rookity!
Nice.
Oh, is that the one you were horde hunting?
No! No! I just started going back towards town and found a shiny Rookity.
Yeah, nice, man. That's
That's two!
Great shiny, too.
Let's go!
Dude, what did I tell you? Today's my day, dude. Everybody's getting shiny luck today.
How do I don't know how to, I literally don't know how to catch this thing. I'm so terrified.
You just don't hit it and throw Pokeballs at it. And hope for
I
the
mean,
best.
like,
Hope for a
I'm-
crit capture.
I'm down for Psyduck or Swablu.
I can't believe I just found two shinies back to back. Crit capture! I've got all the shiny birds! I was just passing by a group of Rookity and I saw something yellow. And I'm like, what is that?
What were you saying, Jim?
I already
Yeah,
did that. So,
Oh, you already reset?
Mhm.
Wow, dude. Like, wow.
okay. I'll consult the group this time.
Like, who doesn't want a blue dog? What are you doing?
Me.
Dude,
All right. So
if I
we
get
got
a shiny Psyduck, I'm literally just getting all the shiny birds.